How to invite friends in Atapool. So here on today's video, I'll be teaching how to invite friends on your Atapool account. So in Atapool, to invite friends here, all you need to do is open up your Atapool. So once you open up your Atapool, all we need to do is you see here invite right here, and press on that right there. After pressing it here, you will see unique your unique referral code right here. And just copy that, and you can now give it to your friend. Once they click on that and join, you will earn as well right here. There you go. And here are the terms and conditions. Terms right here. If this talk is presented in a language other than you can read all the terms right there. Ready friend using the app uses this other app to send the invite. You're not responsible for any charges. You inquire. There you go. And you can just press on invite friend right here. So here it will locate you right here, and you may send it to Messenger, Chrome, Google, Dialpad, any of the apps that has message feature. You can use to there. And a fun thing about this is you can earn up to 10% from every survey your friend completes. As you can see right there on the top, there is no upper limit, so there's no limit. You will get 10% for every survey your friend makes or earns right there. So yeah, that is very useful. But don't worry, guys, your friend won't get minus. So let's say you're gonna get $1 for it for the answer. It let's say $10. You get $10 for answering it. Don't worry, it won't deduct another $1 to get the 10%, and it will give to you. No, it won't protect that. It will just only automatically have it will automatically they will automatically get the $10, but you'll just get another extra dollars for referring them. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how we do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.